Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th, which was held on 6th November 2022. Now, we are going to solve part 1 of mathematics here. So, let's begin with the first question of this paper. The first question of this part is, which of the following option is correct? Now, out of these 4 options, we have to find out which one is the correct option. So, let's begin with the solution of this question. Now, the first option is 1 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 7. So, by applying the cross multiplication method, let's check whether this comparison is correct or not. So, 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Here, less than 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So, 7 is less than 3. It is not correct. So, option 1 is incorrect. Let's begin with the solution of B option. Now, 37 upon 14 is less than 17 upon 14. Now, this is a like fraction. So, here we have to only compare the numerator part, 37 and 17. So, here in this, we can easily compare these numbers. 37 is greater than 17, not less than 17. So, here option B is also incorrect. Now, let's move on to the C option. 1 upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 7. So, again we are applying cross multiplication method to compare this. So, here 1 multiplied by 7 is 7 and 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. So, 7 is not equal to 9, but here it is written 7 is equal to 9. So, here third option is also incorrect. Now, let's move on to the last option. 1 upon 7 is not equal to 1 upon 9. By comparing with the same cross multiplication method, we get 9 multiplied by 1 is 9, that is not equal to 7 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 7. So, 9 is not equal to 7. Yes, option D is correct. So, we have to only find out which of the following option is correct. So, here option D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. So, here in the next question, we have find the difference between the successor of 2-digit largest number and predecessor of 2-digit smallest number. Now, in this question, we have to find out the difference. Difference means we have to do the subtraction part. So, let's understand the question. Successor of 2-digit largest number. Now, what is the 2-digit largest number? 2-digit largest number is 99. And we are asked to write down the successor of 2-digit number. So, for successor, we have to add 1 here. And the successor of 2-digit number is now 100. And the next part is predecessor of 2-digit smallest number. The smallest number is 10. 10 is the 2-digit smallest number. And in the question, it is asked that predecessor of 2-digit smallest number. So, for the predecessor, we have to do the subtraction of 1 here. Now, predecessor of 2-digit smallest number is 9. So, here according to question, what we have to do? We have to find out the difference between the successor of 2-digit largest number and the predecessor of 2-digit smallest number. So, here we have to subtract 9 from 100. So, after subtracting here, we get 91. So, here option B is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Next question is, which of the following figures has equal area? Now, we have to find out the equal area by solving the following figures. Now, in figure 1, let's find out what is the area of this figure. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, here 18 square unit is the area of the first figure. As the length and breadth of this one cube is 1 unit. So, here the total area of this figure 1 is 18 square unit. Now, let's move on to the figure 2. Here, the area is 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 5 and here it is 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. So we can say that 20 square unit is the area of the second figure. Now if we talk about the third figure, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here it is 18 square unit is the area of the third figure. Now let's check the area of figure 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here this is 5 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this side is also 5. So 5 times 5 is 25 square unit. So let's check the option according to the question. Now in question it is said that which of the following figure has equal area. So here if we talk about the equal area, we can say that figure 1 and figure 3. These two figures have the equal area, that is of 18 square unit. Now in the option it is option C, which is having figure 1 and figure 3. So according to the question, option C is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, find the value of 2 plus 0.2 plus 0.02 plus 0.002. Now arranging them according to their place value, we get first is 2, next is 0.2, the next one is 0.02 and the last number is 0.002. Now converting them into the like decimal, we get this type of arrangement. Now let's do the addition part. So here the answer is 2.222. So according to the option, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 5. Which of the following expression is equal to 73 times 5? Now out of these 4 options, we have to find out which expression is equal to 73 times 5. Now here the first option is 5 times 7 plus 3. So after solving the bracket, we get 5 times 10. So this option is not correct for according to the question. Now let's begin with the next option, that is 7 times bracket 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So 7 times 8 is also not the correct option according to the question. So it is not correct one. Now let's check option C. 70 times 3 plus 5, which is in the bracket. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So 70 times 8, which is also not equal to the 73 times 5. So option C is also incorrect. Now option D. 5 times 70 plus 3. So here 5 times 70 plus 3, which is in the bracket. First we have to solve the bracket here. 70 plus 3 is 73. So we can say that 73 times 5 or 5 times 73 is same. So according to the question, we can say that option D is the correct answer. Now the next question, that is 6th, is add the place value and face value of 5 in the box given below. So here we have to find out the addition of the place value and the face value of 5. Now the digit 5 is placed on the 100 place here. So the place value of 5 is 500 and the face value of 5 is 5 itself. And here we have to add 505. As it is asked in the question, we have to add the place value and the face value. Now after doing the addition, we get 505. So according to the question, correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Next question is, what least number should be added to 23rd multiple of 5? 23rd multiple of 5 means we have to multiply 23 by 5. So, the product of 23rd multiple of 5 is 115. So that it becomes the multiple of 4. Now, we have to add a least number, means the smallest number which should be added to 115 to get the multiple of 4. So, here we have to check which least number is going to be added in 115 out of these 4 options so that we can get the multiple of 4 here. So, now according to the option, we can check which is the least number here. Now, here least number is only 1 out of these 4 options. So, let's add 1 here and check whether adding 1 in 115 we get the multiple of 4 or not. So, we get the number 116. Let's check whether it is a multiple of 4 or not. As we can check by the division, long division method also, and we can apply the divisibility rule also. So, here we are going to check by the long division method. 4 times 2 is 8, 3, 6. So, here we get 36, remainder is 0. So, it is exactly divisible by 4. So, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Let's begin with the next question. So, the next question is question number 8. Which one of the following has only one endpoint? So, we have to find out of these 4 options which option is correct for one endpoint. Now, if we talk about option number A, that is a ray. A ray is a part of a line which has only one endpoint and other point moves in the endless direction. So, here option A is the correct answer according to the question as it has only one endpoint. If we talk about option B, a line. A line has no endpoint as it can be extended on both the direction. A line segment has 2 endpoints. A curved line. If we talk about the curved line, in closed curve we have no endpoint and in open curve we have 2 endpoints. So, according to the question, option A is the correct answer. Now, let's move on to the next question. In which one of the following figures shaded part represent unit fraction? If we talk about the unit fraction, unit means 1. Now, here, first of all, we have to clear with the term unit fraction. Unit means 1. It means that unit fraction can be defined as a fraction in which the numerator is represented by digit 1. So, here let's represent this figure in the fraction part. This is 3 upon 4. Option B is also 3 upon 4. If we talk about this option, this is 2 upon 5 and option D is 1 upon 5. So, according to the question, option D is the correct answer as in the option D, we have numerator 1. So, 1 upon 5 is a unit fraction here. Now, in this question, option D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 10. So, here in this 10th question, we are given with the 2 figures. First figure says that 12 kg is equal to 2 different animals, that is one is cat and one is dog. Now, these both are equal to 12 kg. And in the next figure, we can see that 2 cat is equal to 8 kg. Now, from the second figure, we can find out the weight of 1 cat here. So, 2 cats is equal to 8 kg. So, if we say the weight of 1 cat is equal to 8 upon 2, that is 4 kg. So, the weight of 1 cat is 4 kg. It means 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 kg. So, the value of one cat is 4 kg. Let's put the value of one cat here, that is 4 kg. Now, according to the first figure, here to find out the weight of a dog, we can say that 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 kg. So, the weight of the dog is 8 kg here. So, option D is the correct answer. Now, the next question is, which one of the following expression will give the smallest value among all? So, here we have to find out the smallest value of the expression. Let's solve the expressions one by one. First expression is 4 multiplied by 3 plus 2 minus 1. So, according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to do the multiplication. So, let's solve it. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 minus 1. So, this is equal to 14 minus 1, that is equal to 13. So, the value of first expression is 13. Let's move on to the next expression. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 2 minus 3. That is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So, the answer of second expression is 3. Now, the third one. In this, we have to do the division part first and then we have to move on to the multiplication part. So, here 3 times 1 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, we get 5 here. So, answer of third expression is 5. Now, the last one. 3 times 2 minus 4 divided by 1 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. So, according to the option, we can say that the smallest value of expression D is 2. So, here option D is the correct answer as the smallest value is 2 among all. Let's begin with the next question, question number 12. Here we have to find out the parameter of the following figure. The figure is irregular. So, to find out the parameter, we have to add all the sides of this figure. So, let's begin with the addition process. Here, 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 here is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 plus 3 is 22. Now here the length of this side is not given to us, but we can find out like this. Here it is 3. So this will also 3. This is 5 and this side is also 4. 4 plus 5 plus 3. So we get here the total is 12. So here 22 plus 12 is 34. So the parameter of this irregular figure is 34 centimeter. That is option D. So here option D is the correct answer. Let's move on to the question number 13. How many chords and radii are there in the following figure respectively? In this figure, we have to find out the chords and radii. We know that radii is a line segment which starts or which has an end point at the circle and another end point on the circle. And chord is a line segment which has its end points on the circumference of the circle. So here we have to find out the chords. Let's find out the chords first. Now here chord BA. Next chord is AC. Next is here FG. and we can say that next one is ED. So there are 5 chords in this figure. Now let's check how many radii are there in this figure. So here in this figure there are only 2 radii, that is RE and RD. So if we talk about the chords, there are 5 chords, and if we talk about the radii, there are only 2 radii. So according to the option, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question 14. In this question, we have to find out the angle BOD. BOD means this angle we have to going to find out. Now we know that AOB is a straight line, and a straight line has angle 180 degree. So we can say that 180 degree is equal to angle AOB, or angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. So 35 degree plus 78 degree plus third angle is our DOB. The sum of these 3 angles will be 180 degree, as AOB is a straight line. So let's do the calculation part here. So 113 plus angle DOB is equal to 180 degree. So angle DOB or BOD is equal to 180 degree minus 113 degree, which is equal to 67 degree. So according to option, we can say that option B is the correct answer. So the measurement of angle BOD is 67 degree. Now let's begin with the question number 15. Next question is, how many lines are there in the following figure? So in the following figure, we can say that there are only 2 lines. This is line 1 and this is line 2. So according to option, option A is the correct answer. Now the next question, question number 16 is, which of the following geometrical shape is made up of a curved line? Curved lines are the lines which are not straight. The option triangle, square and rectangle are made up with a straight line. So option D is the correct answer, as circle is a closed figure which is made up of curved line. Now question number 17. How many unit cubes are there in the figure? So in this figure we have to find out how many unit cubes are there. So let's count the cubes. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the front we have 10 cubes and at the back side we have 10 cubes. So total 10 plus 10 is 20. So this side is covered by 20 cubes. Let's move on to the next part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in the front, 6 at the back. So here it is 12 cubes. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in the front, 6 at the back. So again we can say that here it is 12. So let's add them all. 20 plus 12 plus 12. So we get here 44. So according to question, option A is the correct answer. Next, 18th question. Find the largest common factor of 15 and 25. So first of all, we are going to write down the factors of 15 and 25. So the factors of 15 is 1, 3 and 5. Now let's write down the factors of 25. So the factors of 25 is 1, 5 and 25. So here we can say that the common factor in 15 and 25 is 1 and 5. And if we talk about the largest common factor, so here largest common factor among 1 and 5 is 5. So according to question, option A is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 19. Find the volume of the cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 5 cm, 1 cm and 3 cm respectively. So here we have to find out the volume of the cuboid. So volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. This is the formula for the volume of a cuboid. So here length of the cuboid is 5 cm, breadth of the cuboid is 1 cm and height of the cuboid is 3 cm. So after multiplying these three numbers, we get 5 multiplied by 1, we get 5, multiplied by 3, we get 15 centimeter cube. So according to option, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 20. In this question, we have to identify the acute angle triangle. Now, we know that acute angle triangle is a triangle in which all the three angles are less than 90 degree. So, here we have to find out, or we can say that we have to identify the acute angle triangle from the following options. So, here in option A, we are having two angles that is less than 90 degree, 30 degree and 30 degree, and the third angle is 120 degree. And 120 degree, we know that it is a obtuse angle. So option A is not correct. Now option B. In option B, we can see that all the three angles, that is 70 degree, 60 degree and 50 degree, they all are less than 90 degree. So we can say that option B is the correct answer as it is indicating acute angle triangle. So option B is the correct answer. Let's check option C also. Here 45 degree and 45 degree is a acute angle, but the third angle is 90 degree. So it is not a acute angle because it is a right angle triangle. So option C is also not correct. And option D is all of these. This is not correct. So according to the question, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Now the next question. Question number 21. Which of the following pairs is co-prime? So first of all, we should know what is a co-prime number. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which are having only and only one common factor, that is 1. So here we have to find out which pair of a number is a co-prime number in which we are getting only 1 as a common factor. So let's check option A first. The common factor of 2 and 4 are, factors of 2 is 1 and 2 and factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. So here we have two common factors. So option 2 is not correct. Now let's check option B. Factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. And the factor of 8 is 1, 2, 4 and 8. So here also we are having two factors 1 and 2 which are common. Let's check option C, that is 3 and 4. Factor of 3 is 1, 3. Factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Here only 1 is a common factor. Now let's check option D, 4, 6. Factors of 4 is 1, 2, 4. Factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So here again we have two common factors. Now according to option, we can say that option C is the correct answer, as 3 and 4 are those numbers which are representing only 1 as a common factor. So here option C is the correct answer. Let's begin with the next question. Question number 22. Identify the heaviest item from the following option. We have to find out the heaviest one. Now here the first figure has the weight 105 gram. the second figure is having the weight of 1 kg. Third figure is 650 gram and the fourth figure is 950 gram. So by observing all these four figures, we can say that these three figures are in the gram and figure B is in the kg form. So let's convert this kg into gram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So now it is easy to identify which is the greatest number here. As the units are same here, so we can easily say that option B is the correct answer, as figure B is 1000 gram. So the heaviest item is option B. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 23. Which of the following product is equal to the value of 20 times 50 divided by 10 plus 150 minus 32. Let's solve the expression first. The expression is 20 multiplied by 50 divided by 10 plus 150 minus 32. So according to BODMAS, we are going to solve this expression. First of all, we are performing division part. 50 divided by 10 is 5 and plus 150 minus 32. Now after division, we are going to perform multiplication. 20 times 5 is 100 plus 150 minus 32. After multiplication, according to BODMAS, we are going to apply addition. So 100 plus 150 is 250 minus 32. So here we get 218 is the answer of this expression. Now let's read the question again. Which of the following product is equal to the value of this expression? So this expression gives us the answer 218. Now we have to find out of these four options, which option is giving us the product that is equal to 218. Let's do the multiplication of first option. 109 times 2, that is equal to 218. So here option A is the correct answer, as it is giving us the product 218, which is equal to the given expression. Now let's solve the next options also. 54 times 2, that is 108. Next option C is 201 times 8, that is equal to 1608. And the next is 27 times 6, that is 162. So according to the option, we can say that option A is the correct answer. Let's begin with the next question. Question number 24. Identify the hexagon from the following figure. We know that hexagon is a six-sided figure. So here we have to only check that which figure is having 6 sides. So let's begin with option A. It's having 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4-sided figure, so option A is not the correct option. Option B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5-sided figure, so we can say that it is a pentagon, not a hexagon. So option B is also not correct answer. Now let's check option C. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-sided figure, so we can say that it is a hexagon. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's solve the last option also. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a 7-sided figure, so it is not the hexagon, as it is a heptagon. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 25. So what is obtained on multiplying the smallest 3-digit numbers formed using the digits 4, 2 and 5 by 8? So first of all, by using 3 digits, that is 4, 2 and 5. These are the 3 digits which are given to us and we have to form the smallest 3-digit number. So, the smallest 3-digit number is 2, 4, 5. So, 245 is the smallest 3-digit number formed by digits 4, 2 and 5. Now, what we have to do? We have to multiply the smallest 3-digit number, means 245 we have to multiply it by 8. Now, after multiplying it by 8, let's check what is the product we obtained. 8 times 5 is 40, 8 times 4 is 32 plus 4 is 36, 8 times 2 is 16, 90. So, 1960 is the correct answer. So, according to options, we can say option B is the correct answer. Now, let's begin with the next question. Question number 26 says that 5 crore 15 lakh 9,209 is same as. Now, we have to convert this number name into the numeral form. Now, let's write down 5 crore 15 lakh 9,209. So, this is the number which is formed by this number name. So, let's check the option. Which option is similar to this? Now, according to the option, we can say that option C is the correct answer, as it is 5 crore 15 lakh 9,209. So, option C is the correct answer. Now, let's begin with the question number 27. Now, here, how many line segments are there in the following figure? We have to find out the line segments. So, we know that line segments are having 2 end points. So, let's find out the line segment. Line segment FA. Next line segment is AD. Next one is DC. Next one is CE. Next is AB. You can say BC, FD and DE. So, there are total 8 line segments in the given figure. So, option A is the correct answer. Let's begin with the 28th question. In Roman numeral system, 45 can be written like below. We have to write down 45 in the Roman numeral. So, here 45 can be written as XLV. This is the correct Roman numeral of 45. As this being 50 minus 10 plus 5. So, it becomes 45. Option A is not valid because it is not obeying the rules of Roman number. As here, X is repeating 4 times, which is not correct. VL. VL is also not obeying the rules of Roman numbers. So, it is not correct. Option D is also not correct for the number 45. So, option B is the correct answer for question number 28. Now, let's begin with the question number 29. Choose the common multiple of 8 and 7. We have to choose the common multiple which comes in the table of 8 also and which comes in the table of 7 also. So, let's begin with the first option. First option is 49. 49 is a multiple of only 7 here, not the 8. So, here option A is not correct. Let's begin with the second option, option B. Option B is 64. 64 is a multiple of 8 but not the multiple of 7. So, option B is also not correct. Let's check option C. Option C is 56. 56 is a multiple of both 8 and 7. So we can say that option C is the correct option. Now, if we talk about option D, that is 15. So 15 is not a multiple of 8 nor of 7. So option D is also not correct. So according to the question, we can say that option C is the correct answer. Let's begin with the last question of this part. That is question number 30. In question number 30, it says area of a triangle is 24 meter square. We are given with the area of a triangle. And if its base is 4 meter, what is its height? We have to find out the height of a triangle. So here, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So area of triangle is given to us, that is 24 meter square, half into base is also given to us, that is 4 meter, and height is not given to us. Now we have to do the calculation part, that is 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So here 24 by 2 is equal to height. Now after doing it in the lowest form, we get height equal to 12 meter. So according to option, we can say that option B is the correct answer. So I hope you understood the first part of this paper. Thank you.
Hello students, today I will discuss the M of paper solution of class 5th part 2 science. Our first question is pea and wheat are rabi crops. So our first option will correct. Next question. Dash contain a small bird called eyes from which new plants can grow. So our correct option will be potatoes. Next question. The environment where organisms naturally live and produce is known as habitat. So our correct answer will be option C. Next question. The nasal cavity is separated from the mouth by a bony structure. The bony structure is known as palate. So our correct option will option B. Next question. Dash protect our body from disease. So correct answer will be vitamins. Next question is our bones and teeth will be well developed when we eat food rich in calcium, and calcium is a mineral. So our correct answer will option C. Next question. Rabies is caused by the animal bites. So our correct answer will option B. Next question. All living things need dash to breathe. First is nitrogen, second is hydrogen, carbon dioxide and oxygen. As you know, living organisms take oxygen for the respiration. Next question. Where is the ozone layer found? As you all know that ozone layer is present in stratosphere layer. Next question. The interior part of the earth is divided into dash main layers, 3 layers. Option A is correct. Next question. Smoke from the automobiles causes air pollution. B will be correct. Next question. Heavy rainfall can cause earthquake, drought, volcanic and flood. So our correct answer will be D option. Next one. Dash is used in making jewelry. As you all know that diamond is used in making jewelry. Correct answer will option A. Next question. When a solid is heated, it will start to expand. So our correct answer will be C option. Next question. Materials that do not allow light to pass through them are called as. Those materials are known as opaque material. Example is wood. So our correct C option will be most appropriate. Which of the following is a type of force? Electrostatic is a kind of force. Next question. Which among the following is the smallest unit of time? As you all know that second is the smallest unit of time. C option will be correct one. Next question is, which of the following is a major cause of soil erosion? Soil erosion is caused due to deforestation. C will be our most appropriate answer. Spectacles are made up of dash material. The material used in the spectacles is transparent. A will be our correct answer. Next question is, Mohan is very sensitive to green chilies. Wherever he eats them, he gets rashes on his body. And Mohan has a disorder called as allergy. So our B option will be most appropriate. Thank you.
Hello, my dear students. My name is Akash Chaudhary. I am your reasoning mentor. Today, we are discussing Matrix Olympiad papers, class 5th, logical reasoning. Let's please start from question number first. As you see the question number first say find the missing number. Our series is 5, 10, 20, question mark 80. What is the missing term in this given series? As you see, 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 2, our answer is 40. Option B is correct answer. Next question is, find the next term A, D, G, J. If we do the numbers in the letters 1, 4, 7, 10. 1 to 4 plus 3, 4 to 7 plus 3, 7 to 10 plus 3. What is next term? Then we add 3 in 10, 13. 13 means M. M is our correct answer. Option B is correct answer. Next question is, if dollar means plus, hedge means minus, at the rate means multiply, star means divide, then what is the value of 16, dollar, 4, at the rate, 5, hedge, 72, star, 8. As you see, dollar means plus, that means 16 plus 4. At the rate means into 5. Hedge means minus 72. And star means divide 8. According to Bodmas rule, we solve first divide, then multiply, then plus and minus. If 72 is divided by 8, then this term equal to 9. Then we solve multiply 5 into 4, 20. Our next equation is 60 plus 20 minus 9. If 16 plus 20 is 36, minus 9 is equal to 27. Option B is correct answer. Our next question is question number 54. Select the correct set of symbols which will fit in the given equation 0, 3, 5 equal 20. If we take the first option into, if 0 is multiplied by any number, our answer is also 0, then option A is not correct. If we take the second option, 5 minus 0 plus 3 into 5 equal 20. 5 minus 0 means 5. 3 into 5 means 15 equal 20. 15 plus 5, 20 equal 20. Our equation is balanced. Then our answer is option B is correct answer. Next question is question number 55. Reena walked from A to B 10 meter in the east. A to B 10 meter in the east direction. Then she turned to the right and walked 3 meter. She turned right and walked 3 meter. Again he turned to the right and walked 14 meter. Turned right and walked 14 meter. How far is she from A? this is the point A. If we find the distance of A and ending point, then our right triangle is there. If this distance is 10 meter, this is also 10. If this is 3, this is also 3. Total distance is 14 meter minus 10, that means this is 4. 3, 4. These are our hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. As you know, by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to in root base square plus perpendicular square. Base is 4, 4 square plus 3 square. 4 square is 60 and 3 square is 9. Then we add both the numbers 25. 25 in root 5. Our answer is 5 meter. Option B is correct answer. Next question is, if A is to the south of B, if A is to the south of B and C is the east of B and C is the east of B, which direction A is A with respect to C? Which direction is A with respect to C? This is direction. As you know about direction, east, west, north, south. This direction is called southwest. Also, this is called southwest. Southwest, option D is correct answer. Next question is, Saran is 18 from the right and in a row of 51 boys. As you know, right plus left minus 1 is equal total. 18th from right plus left minus 1 is equal total number of person is given 50. 18 minus 1, that means 17 plus left equal 50. Then we find the value of left 50 minus 17, that means 33 is our answer. Option C is correct answer. Next question is question number 58. If the following question, you have to visualize the image of the item NTSE. If NTSE, you see the water mirror image of this NTSE word, then you say NT S and E. Option B is correct answer. Next question is question number 59. As you see the water mirror image of this clock, option A is correct answer. Next question is, as you see, fold this paper and after cutting, option A is shown because this circle is so here, this is here, then this is our answer. Option A is correct answer. Thank you very much.